Look out, look out.
Go away. Go away.
Oh no!
First slide correct.
Shit, we should have bought the helmet.
Yeah.
We almost did buy a helmet. They were like $20 for a stupid helmet. I'm like, that's
All right, Michael, go. Go, go, go.
I'm like, he'll be okay.
Zachary,
I figured you can't really crash a tricycle.
Thomas, you gonna help push?
Go push it.
Go push him. Go push him.
Michael's like, hello, come on.
Go. He is so happy. Is it like, what's the pen?
Yeah.
Oh, like on Big Rams's side?
Push.
Okay.
Push. All right, bud. Push with your feet. You gotta push with your feet. Thomas is not always gonna be there to push you in your life. Look, bud, like this. Push with your feet.
On Excel, I just make a list that says like budget.
Oh, no.